Can do, with can, mastering requests in English. Hello, language learners. We're back with another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today we're focusing on a versatile modal verb, can. Specifically, we'll delve into how can is used in forming requests. So buckle up and get ready to make your English communication even smoother. When we talk about requests in English, can is a go-to modal verb. It's informal and commonly used in everyday conversation. You're asking someone to do something or asking for permission. The general structure for using can in requests is can you plus verb or can I plus verb. For example, can you pass me the salt? Can I use your phone? The key is that can makes the request sound polite and respectful. You're asking, not telling, and that's important in English. Let's look at a few more examples of how can is used in requests. 1. Asking for help. 2. Can you help me with my homework? 3. Asking for permission. 4. Can I leave the meeting early? 5. Making a suggestion, usually phrased as a question. 6. Can we go to the park today? By following these patterns, you'll be able to formulate your own requests using can. While can is often used to ask for things, it can also be used to ask someone not to do something. This form is a bit less common, but still very useful. Here's how you would form a negative request with can. Can you not plus verb? For example, can you not play the music so loud? But remember, it's always important to keep the context and your relationship with the other person in mind when making requests, especially negative ones. And that's it for today, language champions. We've unpacked the powerful modal verb, can, and its role in forming requests in English. We hope you can see what we did there. Now confidently and politely express your requests. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using can in your daily conversations. Stay tuned for more lessons to help you master English. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.